How to fix Google Play Store icon missing on any Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to go to your home screen and swipe down to open the search bar. Then tap on the search icon and search for Google Play Store in the search field. If it appears, you can easily long press the icon and drag it back to your home screen or app drawer. So, this is the first step in order to fix your Google Play Store icon missing on any Android device. But if this doesn't work for you, you have to open your app drawer, swipe off from the home screen, or you can tap the app icons. And then you have to look for the Play Store icon. If you find it, again you have to follow the same process, that is, long press and drag it to your home screen for your easier access. And if this doesn't work for you, again open settings, go to apps, open it, select app management, and search for Google Play Store in the list of apps. Open the app info section, and if you find it disabled, you need to tap on it and select enable button. And after that, in the same Google Play Store app information settings, select storage uses and clear cache. This can refresh the app and bring it back to normal. After that, you need to simply restart your phone and the Google Play Store will update automatically. Hold the power button on your device and then swipe towards restart. And after that, your issues will be fixed. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.